Today, we are going on an amazing learning adventure inside the human body. Let's shrink down super small and explore how our body works from the inside. Wow! Let's explore how the human body works from inside this amazing science ship. Now let's explore the liver. The liver is like a busy chemical factory. It cleans your blood and stores energy from food. Wow, that is one hard-working organ. Now let's explore blood. Red cells carry oxygen all around. White cells are heroes fighting off germs. Blood keeps you healthy and strong. Veins carry blood back to your heart. Special valves keep it moving in one direction. They also carry away waste like carbon dioxide. Great job on this amazing adventure. Hold on tight, we are heading back. Wow, that was a close one. Mission accomplished. We explored the human body. What an amazing adventure. See you next time, explorers.